Josie, tell us about your project. This? Okay. Tell us about your idea that you had.
To make teacups.
Teacups like the ride at Disney World, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So we enlisted the help of the Connects and Josie.
And watch this.
And we came up with this ride. Okay, let's see. Awesome. Who's riding on there? We got some Playmobil people.
Twilight Sparkle, 2 kids that look like the same, and a mama and Rarity.
Very cool. Josie, the engineer, would you like to tell us anything about your design? Anything that inspired you to make it? Like, what were you thinking of when you designed it?
Hello. I think it. So I wanted to make it balanced, so I thought of these to make it more balanced, and then I made these so it would connect, and that would make it also balanced, and then these sort of kind of like spin around. And this spins around.
That's really cool.
And we need to do an act about the seaplane.
You want to tell us about the seaplane? Okay.
Okay, this was meant from Josie. And then it goes whoosh. And then it goes whoosh. And then it goes whoosh. And then it goes.
Very fun ride. All right, I think Josephine and Beatrice's amusement park looks like a pretty cool place to hang out.
Oh, we need a roller coaster.
Oh, should we walk to the roller coaster?
But we have to start all over again.
No, we can just walk in there now. Do do do.
Can
Walk
you-
into
can
the
we-
roller coaster. Do
Can
do
we
do.
go into videos together?
We're still taping this or recording this one. Do do do. Walk into the roller coaster. Do do do.
I'll turn it on now. All you have to do is.
Hold on a second, Bea. Oh, Bea, honey, please. You can be the, Bea, I don't, honey. Please use words instead of whines, and then let's. Yeah, there you go. Yeah, we are. Uh-oh, wrong way. All right. It might need a little help at the top.
Help me then.
Whee! So cool. One more loop.
Oh,
Ooh, awesome. Awesome amusement park, girls. All done.
no!